Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm just going to be showing you a Christmas tree because I made a whole video about it and what we're doing right now. But it just straight up deleted my video. But, that's some...
No, that's Ethan.
Okay, you do it, Ethan. Your turn.
And we're decorating.
Ethan, it's your turn. I did mine.
Look at my tree, guys.
Look at my tree.
And his tree.
Look at my tree. It's so cool. He's walking.
Yeah, it is so cool. It is so cool.
Yours
And
is
look
not
at the
cool,
trains.
Ethan. Yours is not cool.
Okay.
Well,
So yeah, guys, look at this, Chris. Look at this. Look at mine. Smile face. I'm not done with it though. Look at his, Aiden's.
ooh.
Guys, not familiar with Aiden? This is Aiden. Say hi.
Hi. I make my tree so cool.
Made your tree so cool.
Yeah.
And this is the train, which we're gonna put the trees. We're gonna put our trees on top, right here, I think, right?
Yeah.
And train get good front look. So what we're doing is I'll show you guys when my train is done. Look at my tree, guys. Don't touch my tree.
Don't touch his train. Don't touch his
My train. Look at Aiden's train.
Look at yours. It's so good.
Look at Aiden's train and then look at the train.
It's so cool.
So cool, guys. It's just so cool. And look at the tree. Just look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at this. Guys, look at it. We're still figuring out how to put on the trees, but that's mine.
That's yours.
Right. A piece fell off. Right
Say no.
there
Oh.
is a smiley face. And right there is Aiden's. Say hi.
I was cutting some.
I'm in the video.
Huh?
Stop putting me in the damn video.
And this is a tree.
Ooh.
And we are finished.
Yeah, that will clean outside.
Got the trees. And my eyeball falls off.
Yeah.
Oh,
Your eyeball hurts.
it's
Look at your eyeball.
the Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. And that is going to wrap up the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below what I should do next. And I'll see you guys in my other video.